Favor de permanecer sentados con su cinturón de seguridad ajustado y las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro de la nave. Oh, y por favor, vigilen a sus niños. Golden Zephyr, autorizado para despegar.
Golden Zephyr, have a real humdinger of a flight. You showed some real moxie, chums, but now it's back to dear old terra firma for you. Just keep your chassis in the saddle and stay seated until your rocket vehicle comes to a complete stop. Then skedaddle on out through the nearest exit. Thanks for flying the Golden Zephyr. Welcome aboard, flyboys and sky gals. Now for a safe flight, remain seated with your safety belt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rocket machine. And for Pete's sake, watch your children, please.
Let out of your mouth, please.
Flyers, I kindly ask you please remain seated with those seatbelts fastened. I'll let you know when it is safe to unfasten your seatbelts and exit your rocket. But as your rockets remain in motion, you must also remain seated. Once again, we'll let you know when it is safe to exit. And once again, for those of you about to board, we do have some requirements. It's 2 per row and 1 per seatbelt. There is no lapsing. All smaller flyers are entering first away from the rocket's opening. And please, there are no food or drinks allowed on the attraction. Your rockets are still in motion. We do ask that you please stay seated. You're almost here, just not quite yet. Please stay seated. It's now safe to exit. Enjoy your day. Go ahead and follow those yellow arrows on the ground, left or right. They will be taking you to any exit. Those yellow arrows on the ground, left or right, will take you to any exit. Welcome to the Golden Zephyr. Once the flyers do need to enter first away from that rocket's opening. And please, there are no food or drinks allowed on the attraction. For those of you standing on my flight deck, please take a look around. If you're standing in front of the gate, we'll have you over there.